How to recover deleted photos from Google Photos. Firstly, you have to open the Google Photos app. In this way, the app will appear in front of you. Now, we are going to know that how to recover deleted photos from Google Photos. Click on the library here. Before this, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Move to the trash icon which is present at the top. You can see here. Click on the trash. You can see your deleted photo is present in trash. Click on it, hold on it. You can see here there is an option of restore at the bottom. Click on the restore. In this way, click on the allow here. Your video will be restored in your Google Photos. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very, very good luck. Thanks.